We're here at Smithville Lake in Smithville, Missouri. This is a really, really big place. It's a huge lake. There's all kinds of different activities. There's hiking trails. There's sailboating. There's different playground areas. You can have picnics, and I mean, it's just
dog parks too.
Dog parks. There's a ton of possibilities. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to go and check out a trail. It's called the Smoke and Davy Trailhead, and show you what that looks like, and also show you some of the scenes around here and how pretty this area really is. So if you're in the area of Smithville, you'll definitely want to check this out. We always walk like this. Smithville Lake has a ton of outdoor activities, including swim beaches, 752 campsites, reservable shelters, fishing, and a lot more. So this boat ramp reminds me of a story. So, you know, Aunt Esther and Uncle Don, guys, remember them? So they used to own an RV, and I heard that they found out what happened to it after they sold it. So the new owner ended up taking it to a lake like this one, and he was towing a boat, and he backed the boat down into the water, hopped out of the RV, and then forgot to set the parking brake, and the whole thing went in the lake. Oh. So, yeah. So whenever I see a boat dock, I think about that story. Always set your parking brake. Daily vehicle entrance fees are $6, and season passes can be purchased for $50. If you love to hike, there are 37 miles of walking and biking trails that you can use to wear out your kids. Conveniently located about 20 minutes from downtown Kansas City.